Kitchen gardening is the practice of growing vegetables, fruits, herbs, and sometimes small ornamental plants in a small, easily accessible area near the kitchen or home. It is often done to ensure a fresh and continuous supply of nutritious produce while reducing dependency on store-bought items. What is organic gardening? Organic gardening is a sustainable method of cultivating plants without using synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, or genetically modified organisms, GMOs. Instead, it relies on natural inputs like compost, organic fertilizers, biological pest control, and crop rotation to maintain soil health and promote plant growth. Benefits of organic kitchen gardening: produces healthier, chemical-free food, encourages biodiversity and soil health, reduces environmental impact and supports sustainability, lowers gardening costs by utilizing natural resources.
Kitchen gardening focuses on natural, eco-friendly practices to grow healthy and chemical-free food. The following steps help you successfully apply organic methods. 1. Prepare organic soil. Use compost, farmyard manure, or vermicompost to enrich soil nutrients. Add organic matter such as dried leaves, crop residues, and kitchen waste. Improve soil structure, aeration, and water holding capacity.
Point 2. Select organic seeds or plants. Choose certified organic seeds or seedlings. Prefer local and traditional varieties for better adaptability. Avoid genetically modified, GM, and chemically treated seeds. 3. Use natural fertilizers. Apply compost tea, bone meal, fish emulsion as nutrient sources. Use biofertilizers like mycorrhizae and nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Enhances plant growth without harmful chemicals. 4. Pest and disease control. Practice companion planting, e.g., marigold with tomatoes. Use natural sprays like neem oil, garlic extract, insecticidal soap. Encourage beneficial insects, ladybugs, lacewings, to control pests. 5. Crop rotation and diversity. Rotate crops each season to maintain soil fertility. Prevents pest and disease buildup. Grow a variety of crops to enhance biodiversity and productivity. 6. Mulching. Apply organic mulch like straw, dry leaves, or grass clippings. Helps retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. Suppresses weed growth and improves soil health. 7. Water management. Use drip irrigation to save water. Practice rainwater harvesting. Water plants early morning or evening to reduce evaporation. 8. Use organic waste. Recycle kitchen waste such as vegetable peels, fruit scraps, coffee grounds. Prepare compost to create a continuous supply of organic fertilizer. Reduces household waste and supports sustainability. Benefits of organic kitchen gardening: produces healthier, chemical-free food for daily consumption. Encourages biodiversity and improves soil health naturally. Reduces environmental pollution and supports sustainability. Lowers gardening costs by utilizing natural and recycled resources.